Hi, this is Carol and welcome to my channel Inspired By. Today I'm participating in the For DIY Under $20 challenge hosted by Sharon of Creative, Glam and Forlisa of Home and Body with Forlisa. Show you all the items that you're going to need. I will also be putting them all down in the description box. These eggs that I'm doing is inspired by the Glam Z Gallerie pumpkins, so I thought I would try to make the eggs that look like them. So here's the things. First of all, I have the glitter in the rectangular glitter. I also have the gold and silver glitter in a smaller size. These are some silver gem seed beads that I purchased. I think these were either from the Dollar Tree or Michael's. And I also have some gold beads that I purchased a long time ago from the Dollar Tree for just $1, and you get quite a bit in there. You'll also need Mod Podge, and these are some clear little beads that I also purchased. I think they're vase fillers, and I've had them for a while from Michael's. Okay, so what I've done here is I've put all the items that we needed, the glitters, the beads, in a bowl. And then what I'm going to do is put Mod Podge on the eggs and just sprinkle this all over. Items that I did not show you at the beginning that you will need. It could be optional, but I chose to put it at the bottom of the eggs, and it is called the water jewels, and I'll also have it on the list at the bottom of in the description box, and you can pick that up from Michael's, and I think some of the Walmarts also sell it. So this is my eggs that I've used to decorate on my nightstand to give it just a little glam Easter touch. I'd like to thank Sharon from Creative Glam and Forlisa of Home Body with Forlisa for hosting this amazing collaboration. I would like to thank you for watching, and before you leave, I'd also like to remind you to go and check out the other participants. I will try to have the playlist linked below. And this is Carol from Inspired By. Have a great day.